Hi, to solve battery drain problem on your Redmi Note 14, I got several tips for you. Firstly, we need to open settings and here scroll down to find the tab privacy. And in privacy, we should find usage and diagnostics and disable this one by tapping on the switcher. This will simply prolong battery life. Now let's go back and find location. So from here, go in location services and disable Wi-Fi scanning by tapping on the switcher and Bluetooth scanning because it constantly searching for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices and this is really big load on the phone's processor and battery. So let's go back and we can also disable location at all if you don't need it just by tapping on the switcher. And now what we are gonna do is we need to find this app step to choose manage apps and now simply delete not needed apps. For example, you can delete this game.saddle. For that, tap uninstall and tap OK and you'll see that it will help a bit to solve battery drain problem. And now let's find Google tab. Here, if you signed in your Google account, then from recommended tab, switch to all services and find devices. And from here, we would need to disable scanning for nearby devices, just like that. Now save changes by simply going back. The next thing I want to show you is placed in fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. So let's open this setting, scroll down and choose privacy. And after that, we need to disable enroll in user experience program by tapping on the switcher like that. We don't need that, but it will help to solve battery drain problem. And the next thing, we need to open additional settings, gesture shortcuts, and here just turn off not needed gestures. For example, we can disable partial screenshot because I didn't use this one much. Also, we can disable to launch camera with the help of double pressing volume down when screen is locked. And let's go back and do basically the same thing but for home screen. So choose your home screen, go in system navigation, choose button shortcuts and here disable some of the gestures. For example, you can disable this one or just any from the list by selecting none option. Now let's go back in main setting and choose sound and vibration. And now we need to turn off not needed vibrations. For example, vibrate for calls, vibrate in silent mode, and vibrate on tap. I'm gonna just select off to disable everything. And after that, we can select display and brightness. And here switch from light mode to dark mode by tapping it. And after that, scroll a bit down, choose refresh rate, and from 120 Hz, switch to 60 if you don't need smooth animations for gaming, for example. And then you can easily switch to 60 Hz, it is more than enough. You won't even notice big difference. And let's go back. So if you are using Wi-Fi at the moment, then I suggest you to turn off mobile data. For that, go in mobile networks and make sure that the switcher is black near mobile data. If reverse, so you are using mobile data, then disable Wi-Fi by going in Wi-Fi setting and tapping on this switcher. And we can also disable Bluetooth if no devices are connected to your phone. Just tap on the switcher and go back. And the same goes for portable hotspot. So make sure this one is turned off as well. And if you got live wallpaper either on your home screen or lock screen, then I suggest you to use just static wallpaper, like in my case, for example. You can find many options in wallpaper and personalization. Just go through the list and pick something not animated. And the last thing is battery saver. So go in battery tab and in current mode, switch from balanced to battery saver and tap OK. But please note when you'll decide to charge your phone, disable battery saver and choose balanced. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.